Did you know that hydrogen is the most abundant element in the universe? It's no surprise that this simple element holds immense potential for the future. Hydrogen has the power to revolutionize clean energy. When used in fuel cells, it produces electricity with only water and heat as byproducts. This means zero greenhouse gas emissions, making it a key player in the fight against climate change. But the power of hydrogen doesn't stop there. It can be used to store energy from renewable sources like solar and wind, providing a reliable backup when the sun isn't shining or the wind isn't blowing. Imagine a world where hydrogen-powered vehicles dominate the roads, emitting only water vapor instead of harmful pollutants. This vision is becoming a reality as automakers invest in hydrogen fuel cell technology. The potential of hydrogen is truly limitless. From powering homes to fueling space exploration, this element is paving the way for a cleaner, more sustainable future. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting content on the power of science and technology. Generated using utools, https://play.google.com. Store, apps, details, it equals com utools co.